Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that all of you are good and safe and sound at home. Students, as you know that in the previous two lectures we have done with the introduction of narration, right, and the rules, the basic rules which we need to follow while changing the direct speech into indirect speech, right? So today we are going to deal with the types of sentences, right? I will tell you the types of sentences and we will deal with the first one, right, today. So number one is assertive sentences, declarative sentences, right? Number two is interrogative sentences. Number three is imperative sentences. Number four, exclamatory sentences. And number five, optative sentences. So we will deal today with the assertive type sentences, right? Assertive sentences. So sentences that make a statement are called assertive sentences. In Urdu, we may say that जिस जुमले में किसी बात के होने या ना होने की बात की जाए, right? उस जुमले को हम क्या कहते हैं? Assertive, right? So these sentences may be positive, negative, false or true statements. It can be a true statement जैसे truth होता है general, right? It can be false, it can be negative or positive. Affirmative भी हो सकता है और negative भी हो सकता है, right? So it will be a statement only, right? कोई भी बयान हो, right? It cannot be an order, it cannot be interrogative, right? Question नहीं हो सकता. It cannot be pray or it cannot be an expression, right? Or you may say that there will be no expression in those sentences, right? These will be only the simple one statement, right? Simple baat hogi. Okay. These are the rules. These are mostly the same rules which we have done or which we have learned in the previous one, right? So the rules for assertive sentences, let me repeat it for you, right? So that you would be clear about it, right? Number one rule that we need to follow while changing the direct into indirect, that we remove the commas, right, inverted commas, and we put there that, right, before reported speech. हम reported से पहले क्या लगा देते हैं? That use करते हैं, right? Number two is that we change the pronouns. हम pronouns को change करते हैं, right? कैसे करते हैं? Let me give you a formula here so that it will be clear, right? You have to keep this in your mind, right? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपने प्रोनाउंस को किस तरह से चेंज करना है. सो यहाँ ये इस चीज़ को आपने माइंड में रखना है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन को किस में चेंज करना है, सेकंड को किस में चेंज करना है और थर्ड को किस में चेंज करना है, राइट? सो आई हैव गिवन हेयर अ फार्मूला, यू मे कीप इट इन माइंड, राइट? आपके लिए ईजी हो जाएगा जब इसको आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे, राइट? इसके अकॉर्डिंगली, राइट? एस हेयर मीन्स सब्जेक्ट, ओ मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट एंड एन मीन्स हेयर नो, राइट? S-O-N, sun, right? So you will change the first one I told you before, first person pronoun, according to the subject of, here S means subject, right? Subject of reporting speech, right? And the second person pronoun will change according to the object. O here means object of reporting speech, and the third person here will not be changed, right? So S-O-N here means subject, object, and no or never, you may say that, right? So first person will change according to the subject of reporting speech, right? Second person will change according to the object of reporting speech, and third person will never change, right? The next thing we need to keep in mind that we while changing the direct into indirect speech, there will be verbs like this, say or said in the reporting speech, right? So say or said remain the same, आप उसको change नहीं करेंगे, right? But if there will be say to, अगर say to होगा, then you will change that say to into tell, right? And said to को आप इसमें चेंज करेंगे, told में चेंज करेंगे, right? For example, he says to me, you work hard. So this is a direct speech. While changing it, the says to into tells, we will write like this: he tells me that I work hard. Now here you can see that there is no to here, right? So you will not write to after tells or told, right? The second one example is, he said to me, you work hard. Now here is said, right? You will put here told, right? Said to को आप किस में convert करेंगे? You will change into told, right? And sentence tense आप change करेंगे according to the rules, right? Which you read in the previous one lecture, right? So he said to me you work hard, he told me that I worked hard. प्रोनाउन आपने याद रखना है कि किसके अकॉर्डिंगली या रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंगली आपने किसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट? Alright, note is here for you. To is not used after tell and told. I told before that you will not write here to again. आप to को नहीं लिखेंगे. If you will change says to, you will not write here tells to, right? Tells ही लिखेंगे. And if you are changing the said to into told, you will not write here to with told, right? Told में convert करेंगे just. And object comes after tell and told. Tell और told जब आप लिखेंगे, then after that the object will come. आपका object आएगा, right? So here is like he tells me, right? He told me. There is object after told and tells. Alright. The next thing is that change in time and place. I told you before there are different words, certain words you need to change, right? Like these will change into those, this will change into that, right? Today into that day, yesterday in the previous day, right? So you need to keep these things in mind that you need to change these type of words. आपने इन words को change करना है, right? For example, he said, I came here yesterday. Now, this is the direct speech, right? Yesterday is here. You will change this one yesterday into another word, right? He said that he, pronoun हमने according to the rules change कर लिया, right? He had, tense भी हमने change कर लिया, right? And come there the previous day. Now here previous day. The yesterday has changed into the previous day, right? So you need to keep these things in mind, right? That you have to change these type of words into the other word, right? I have also given the already given the exercise for you to practice on your notebooks, right? All right. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech, right? अब क्या होगा कि अगर आपका reporting verb कौन सा होता है? I told you before this one, right? ये reporting verb है आपका. अगर तो ये present में होगा, right? Future में होगा तो आपने इस tense को change नहीं करना, reported के tense को, right? आपने उसको change नहीं करना, right? It will be changed according to the rules if it will be in past. अगर past में होगा तो फिर आपने उसको change करना है, right? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉडल्स तो आपके ऑब्वियसली जो मैं पहले भी आपको बता चुकी हूँ इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर दैट यू नीड टू चेंज दीज मॉडल वर्ब्स. आपने इनको चेंज करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू विल चेंज शेल इनटू शुड, राइट? विल इनटू वुड, ये फ्यूचर टेंस है, राइट? फ्यूचर में आपने सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ माइंड में रखनी है कि आपने शेल को शुड में कन्वर्ट करना है. यू विल चेंज विल इनटू वुड, राइट? And may will change into might, can into could, right? So you need to keep in mind that these type of words you need to change while changing the direct one into indirect speech, right? But यहाँ पे अगर present और future tense में होगा आपका reporting speech तो आपने उसको change नहीं करना, right? Tense को change नहीं करना reported speech के. Alright, if that will be, that verb of reporting speech, आपका reporting speech का जो verb होगा, if that will be in past, तो आपने इन रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंगली यू नीड टू फॉलो दीज रूल्स. आपने इन रूल्स को माइंड में रखते हुए उसको चेंज करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ द रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच विल बी इन द पास्ट, तो आपने क्या करना है? आपने रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में अगर आपके पास प्रेजेंट सिंपल होगा, राइट? तो आपने उसको पास्ट सिंपल में कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट? एंड इफ़ दैट विल बी इन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस, आपने प्रेजेंट को पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूअस में कर देना है. Present perfect will change into past perfect, right? Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. जितने भी present आपके पास होंगे you will change into past, right? आपने उसी की simple को present simple को past simple में कर देना है. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. But if there will be past simple, अगर simple आपके पास past होगा you will change that into past perfect, right? If there will be past continuous, अगर past continuous होगा you will change that into past perfect continuous. आप past perfect continuous में change करेंगे. If there will be past perfect, there will be no change. Obviously जब आपके पास had होगा with third form तो आप उसको change नहीं कर सकते, right? So you will not change it. And if there will be past perfect continuous, past perfect और past perfect continuous को change नहीं करेंगे, वो as it is रहेगा आपके reported speech में, right? Alright, if there will be, I told you before these modal words, verbs, right? Shall will change into should, will change into would, right? May into might, can into could, right students? Or if reporting verb is in present future, I told you before in the previous slide, right, that if the reporting verb is in present or future, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. reported speech के tense में कोई change नहीं आएगा. स्टूडेंट्स आपने इस टेबल को अच्छे तरीके से याद करना है, राइट, बिकॉज़ आपने इसी के अकॉर्डिंगली अपने जो डायरेक्ट को इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है, आपने इसी के अकॉर्डिंगली इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, राइट. ऑलराइट, देयर इज़ एन एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. Let me read these for you, then I will tell you about your homework, right? He says, I am writing a letter to my brother, right? This is a direct speech, and there you can see that the reporting verb is in present. अब आपके पास ये present tense में है, तो आप इस reported speech के tense को change नहीं करेंगे, right? आपने इसको देखना है पहले, then you will change this one tense, right? अब ये है present में, you will not change दिस वन टेंस, आप इसको टेंस को चेंज नहीं करेंगे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के, राइट. ही सेज दैट शी इज़ राइटिंग अ लेटर टू हर ब्रदर, राइट. हेयर वी चेंज्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग, राइट. हमने उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली उसको चेंज किया, राइट. देयर वॉज अनदर फर्स्ट पर्सन, वी हैव ऑल्सो चेंज दिस वन इनटू अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग, राइट. Next one is, she says, I was not writing a letter to my brother. Now this one was, students, this one was simple one. The second one is the negative one, right? It can be, I told you before, assertive sentences can be simple one or it can be, you know, positive or negative as well. So negative bhi ho sakte hain, right? It is the same one, right? She says, I was not writing a letter to my brother. So while changing into indirect, we will write like this. She says that she was not writing a letter to her brother. So आपका tense वही रहेगा, right? You will not change it because there is present tense. आपने present tense को देखना है, verb को देखना है, and then you will change this one tense, right? So next one is, she said, I cannot help you at this time, right? So as you can see that here is said, right? Past tense है, आपने इस tense को अब change करना है, right? But you will look at the model. अब यहाँ पे आपके पास model verb आ गया, right? Can भी आ गया है, और another thing is that here is this time. तो आपने this को किस में convert करना है? That में करना है, right? First you will start like this. She said that, right? Change the pronoun she, right? According to the subject of reporting, because it's a first person pronoun. She can will be changed into could not, right? Cannot will be changed into could not. Could not help me at, this will be changed into that time, right? Next one is, he said to me, right? Now here is said to, students. I told you before that said to will change into told, right? He said to me, now this is the past, you will change this one tense. आपने इसको change करना है tense को, right? He said to me, I shall come to meet you tomorrow, right? He told me that he, I pronoun था, right? आपने इसको अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच कन्वर्ट करना है, ही. अब यहाँ पे वुड हमने क्यों यूज़ किया? शेल को हमने शुड में करना था, लेकिन हमने वुड में इसलिए किया बिकॉज वी विल चेंज दिस वन अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. अब यहाँ पे जो हम प्रोनाउन लगाएंगे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम इसको चेंज करेंगे, राइट? हम ही के साथ शुड तो नहीं लगा सकते, राइट? सो इट वुड बी वुड, राइट? ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही वुड कम टू मीट मी द, now here there was tomorrow, right? You will change it into the next day, right? He told me that he would come to meet me the next day, right students? Next one is said. Saad said, I have not or I haven't taken any exam this year, right? This is the present perfect tense, right? Have and third form here. So here is, you know, past form of verb, right? So you will change this tense, आप इसको change करेंगे, right? So Saad said that he had not, past perfect में change कर दिया, had not taken any exams this day will convert, this year will convert into that year, right? Saad said that he had not taken any exam that year, right? Next one is, he said honesty is the best policy. Now here this is the truth, right? जनरल जो भी ट्रूथ होगा आप उसको एज इट इज़ रहने देंगे, उसको चेंज नहीं करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. फ्रेज़ हो सकती है कोई भी, तो फ्रेज़ को आप चेंज नहीं करेंगे, एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे, राइट? ही सेड दैट ऑनेस्टी इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. यू विल ओनली रिमूव द कॉमाज हेयर, और उसको आप लिखेंगे, कन्वर्ट कर देंगे आप, सॉरी, यू विल राइट हियर दैट, राइट? ही सेड दैट देन द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, द फ्रेज विल रिमेन द सेम. आप यहाँ पे उसको जैसे प्रोवर्ब कोई भी हो सकता है, ट्रूथ हो सकता है, so you will write the same one, right? Next one is, our teacher said we have to finish that work today. Now our teacher said that we, right, according to the subject of reporting, we have will change into had because it was present tense, right? So you will change into past, right? Present perfect will change into past perfect. We had to finish that work today will change into that day. So our teacher said that we had to finish that work that day. So this was all about, today's lecture, students. I hope that all of the points are clear, right? So this is your homework, right? Write these sentences on neat notebooks or sheets, right? Practice 2 times on your rough notebooks, right? Students, take a picture of it and send it to me so that I can check it and send it to you back. Thank you very much.